while we were out on a trip, we did get something in the mail. Our access tickets to...
Welcome back, guys. Oh my god, am I squinting hell? I can't even see you guys. We're out and about today. Actually, it's just me and the girls right now. Dad is working. We're a little farther from home for work, or for his work at least, but I decided to make a little day date out of it, and I brought the girls with me while Dad's working, and we're at the outlet. I was like, I could easily kill 2 hours while he does an open house. He's like, of course you can, you're gonna go shopping. But shopping with girls is very difficult, with these girls is very difficult, so we'll see. But first things first, I'm really hungry. Let's see if these girls are hungry. Are you guys hungry? Huh? Are you hungry, Leah? You wanna eat? No. Mommy's about to get hangry if we don't eat. Should we feed Mommy so I'm not mad? Leah sees the puppy, but we're about to find some food. And then guess where we're going? What store are we gonna go to?
A Disney.
That's right, always the Disney store. What did we get for lunch today?
Oatmeal.
Huh?
Oatmeal.
She said we got oatmeal for lunch. We did not get oatmeal for lunch. What did we get, Leah? Quesadillas.
Oatmeal.
Safe things for these girls to eat. Quesadillas, pizza, and grilled cheese. Anything with cheese. So I saw Chipotle, and what did we do? We stopped at Chipotle. I'm having a salad because my stomach is still messed up from vacation. But we're getting a salad, and these girls are getting quesadilla. You say quesadilla. She's chanting oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Oatmeal.
It's not oatmeal. Alright guys, these girls were kinda good. I only probably told them to sit down for at least Zayon. I told her to sit down once in the chair. It was the once upon a yearly sale at the Disney store or whatever, or semi-yearly whatever sale. So they got these new toys. What did you guys get? I mean, they don't even know what movie it's from.
Got it out.
But it was only $2.99. So,
I got tomato.
ooh. But we're about to get a drink, and then we're gonna pick up Dad. Zay's requesting a balloon drink, but who knows what flavor that is. We'll find out in just a sec. Huh? You wanna get it out? I told Zay to not open it till the car, excuse you. Now I have to open it for yourself. It's nap time.
It is peaceful time. It's amazing time.
Do any other parents sit in the car to let their kids sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Like we're
It's a real
literally
thing.
just sitting in the car. Like we drove around.
We wasted gas.
Wasting hell gas.
Waiting for Zalay to fall
Waiting
asleep.
for Zalay to fall asleep. Because she was sitting, like Zay already fell asleep after she didn't want to fall asleep. Given we're not going home right now. Like that's why we didn't just like go home to nap. We're like making another stop. Oh, they might wake up. I think she's waking up. I just made a boo-boo.
Alright guys, so I don't know if Zoran told you, but we had plans of going to the fair, but we actually are just gonna keep it cool, stay, you know, kind of out of a hectic environment. I'm watching the girls right now. I don't even know where Zoran is. But we're with my cousin and her family, so we are, oh god, I lost them already. but yeah, so we are at City Center here in San Ramon, and the girls are just basically came here because Zayana has been here in the past and just loves the play area. They have Legos, and they also have a nice little fountain slash misty area. I'm gonna lose them if I don't put this down or start recording them, so let me go ahead and do that. Excuse me, don't go over there anymore, okay? Hey, are you gonna listen to me? Hey. So Zalia just stepped in this, or actually sat in this, and these little things right here, they have mist that comes out, but right now what it's doing is filling up, and it's gonna become a pool. And the center, this place also provides you with little rain boots, so they want you to get wet.
Where are you? Good afternoon, guys. Can you say good afternoon? Stop pushing me. God, this chick is really aggressive. Good afternoon. It is now Sunday, and we've wasted our whole day. Oops.
For good reason.
I mean, it's more like evening. It's 6:30.
Yeah, this whole day
kind of
wasted.
Was like a waste. I said we were gonna do nothing today, and when I meant that, I meant
clean.
Like, let's not go anywhere.
Yeah.
I said, let's go to church, which we did.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had lunch, which we probably shouldn't have because our stomachs are messed up.
Mm-hmm.
They've been messed up since Vegas. Oh, look, Zillia's holding our stomach relief because it smells like fart in here.
Yeah, it smells like butt.
Jonathan thinks it smells like butt, but I thought that was a little too vulgar. It smells like fart. And we're just having issues. So we didn't do anything today. That's the point. What I did want to show y'all was what I got at the Disney outlet yesterday. If you've been watching us forever, you know that every time there's a Disney store, a Disney outlet, I make a stop. But there isn't a Disney outlet so close to our home. So where we went yesterday was about like 45 minutes, an hour away. So we don't go there regularly. But what I love about the Disney outlet is that they have things that you will not find at the regular Disney store. Like, for instance, this bag. I love Monsters, Inc. This is my favorite Pixar movie. It's a cute little tote, good size. It says, roar your heart out. I got this for $7. Original price. It's from the, it's from Disney Parks. If there's a tag here, it says Disney Parks. So what I was gonna say is that what the Disney outlet has that the regular Disney store doesn't have, other than Disney outlet exclusive items like shirts and whatnot, they carry a lot of Disney park products. So like this bag was a Disney park product. And you'll know because there'll be a tag. Like these slippers, I got these slippers for the girls. Ariel. They just say Disney, meaning they're just Disney store. But these like summer products, you never buy them at like when they first come out for the summer, like in the spring, right? You wait midsummer, oh, fine here. Here you go. You wait midsummer for the sale so that you could get them at basically, like, what is this? More than 50% off. I got Jonathan this shirt. There you go. These I'm really excited about. These are Ariel beach towels. There's even this cute flower. Looks like you're rocking an Ariel body when you wear this. It's for the girls. Wish I could have it myself. But this, usually $22.95. I got it for $8. So, you know, steal. And then last but not least, I was really excited about this, but Jonathan, he was like, aight about it. Also a Disney Parks product, an Ariel mug. I was like, I've never seen these at the Disney store before, but that's because this is a mug you'll only find at the parks. And it says at the bottom here, oh, there it is, $24.99, $8.99, Disney Park mug. So that is a trick, y'all. There is a Disney outlet not too far from Disneyland itself. Probably about half an hour out off of Highway 5 at the Citadel outlets. So we go there sometimes to get stuff. But this place, y'all, but any Disney outlet will have this stuff, I think. So the girls really wanted these Ariel slides. Check them out.
There are rainbows on it.
They got rainbows on them. Wow, really proud of their slides. They had a lot of Ariel stuff on sale. And I was, look at that. Twinning. You guys want to give each other an Ariel hug? Girls, can we do a hug? Oh my lord.
Alright guys, it is the next day and I'm feeling a little bit better. I think Zillia might have caught something too, just because she's been very clingy this morning. But while we were out on a trip, we did get something in the mail. Our access tickets to Vidcon. So we are going to Vidcon, what is it? This July. So we are going to be going for a quick getaway as well for 4th of July. So be sure to subscribe. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you're notified whenever we post something. And be sure to like this video. We're gonna go ahead and open this because Zoran hasn't even seen this yet. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so we have lanyards. Wow! Zulia likes it. Lanyards, and we have our passes. So we have creator passes here, and then for our help, our brother and Auntie Annabelle are gonna be coming along with us. So we got passes for them too. So if you guys are looking forward to seeing more about, let's see if we can get that focus. There you go. About VidCon, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Wow.
Snuggle time. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Okay, don't drop. Don't. I know sometimes you're wrapped.